Well, it's a couple days since that long ride, and feeling a little rested. Hit the gym today, cleaned up both of the bikes, and not every video can be an adventure, so we gotta go to the hardware store and then pick up some snacks for the girls, if you'd like to come. Well, we ended up at this little mini mall that we've been to before, which is only about a 5-minute ride from the house, the apartment. And it has this neat little grocery store in here. Ooh, look, and you walk right in and here's the cold beer. Yeah, so it's this place with the Burger King out front in this busy corner. And then there's a Pizza Hut and Bread Talk, which is really popular here. And we came as a caravan today, 2 of us. And I think Mama dropped her parking ticket, so I gotta go upstairs and look for it. Thanks, brother. Bring my ticket there. Hey, I'll just pay hers also. Leaving this little mini mall. Yeah, low speed racer. Hey, brother. We stopped again near the Pasar traditional market. So we're not going to the traditional market. That's the man right there with the awesome bean soup stuff. So we stopped at him, and then Mama is there getting bakso right next door. I think this is actually the first time that we've rode in a 2-person convoy just to get dinner. So now we are at the bubble tea place because the girls wanted that. Right across the street is my favorite Indo fried chicken, which we're not getting tonight. And then there's gorengan, which is the fried snacks I like to eat. I don't know what the hell's in that stuff, but it tastes great. Alright, the convoy's heading home after this one. Last stop. Almost got the bag full. Back home now, and what can I say? It's a perfect night for a nice cold, tall bintang. It's dinner time. It's past 8 and everybody's hungry, and we got lazy today and we need to get some dinner, so we decided, why not? We deserve a special treat, some Indonesian Pizza Hut. So we're we're gonna bring you along. Check out this X-Max. This is what I want in the US. It's got a 250 motor, but in the US I think it's a 292. Alright, going to Pizza Hut. Woohoo! Nobody get too excited now. Alright, let's see how tricky this turn is going to be tonight. Oh, it's going to be easy for us tonight. Yeah! Rock and roll! And a spot just for us. They knew we were coming. Alright, paying for parking, we're ready to rock.
You know how to ride?
Yeah, I know how to ride. Alright, time to rock. We got our pizza. We splurged. Spent a whopping, what, $13, I think. Alright, here's how this is done. Let the bully show you how. The bully, that would be me. Well, it's a new day. It's actually a new week because I have been sick. Got some kind of flu that took me out for the whole week. This is the place we shop at behind me. This is Coco Fresh, our favorite store, which is right across the street there from the Pertamina. Alright, we had to take a slight detour to Sun Pets and grab some more food and sand for our cat. And we found some friends that keep following us. Hey buddy, you don't have to go away. Hi. Looks like you've been pregnant a lot, huh? And there was another guy. Yeah, I see right in there. This intersection we're coming up to is always an interesting predicament. Let's see how it goes today. Of course, I always take the wrong side, but what do I'm a bully. Woohoo! Rock and roll. Kicking ass, taking names.